Paano ba gumawa ng world-class na tsokolate? Kailangan ng tamang timpla, temperatura, at siyensya. Pero para kay Provincial Director Vina Antupina, ang recipe na ito ang ginamit niya para tulungang umangat ang kanyang probinsya. Meet Provincial Director Vina Antupina ng DOST Bohol. Nakilala siya hindi lamang sa pagtuturo sa deaf community upang maging master chocolatiers. Higit sa lahat, sa pagtulong niya kaagapay ang DOST sa chocolate industry sa Bohol. Ngayong araw, hindi lamang tsokolate ang ating pag-uusapan. Mas kilalanin pa natin ang babae sa likod ng mga proyektong naglalayong tumulong sa ating mga Boholano cacao farmers. Buckle up! This is DOST Verkada Specials, Women in Science. Nanalo siya kamakailan ng Presidential Gawad Lingkod Bayan dahil sa pagiging isang all-rounder leader. Ginamit niya ang parehong dedikasyon para pangunahan ang pagbuo ng Bohol Food Safety Team, ang pinakaunang provincial food safety group sa bansa. Tumutulong din siya sa mahigit 50 manufacturing firms taon-taon para palaguin ang kanilang negosyo. At bumuo ng kauna-unahang Scholar Alumni Association para sa mga estudyante.
Yung chocolate making kasi is a process that requires patience, precision, and respect for every step of the value chain, from the cacao farmer to the finished products. So, through this experience, I learned that meaningful results are never instant. Just as the same sa cacao beans must undergo careful and thorough process steps before becoming chocolates. Development programs natin sa DOST also require time, nurturing, and persistence to produce a lasting impact. So my experience as a chocolatier also strengthened my belief in inclusion and human potential. So this reinforced my conviction that leadership means recognizing abilities others may overlook and creating opportunities for people to thrive. Our usual work here sa DOST Bohol is helping existing MSMEs improve their productivity. Yun talaga ang main. But with the deaf students or the deaf community, it was different. We were not upgrading a business. We were creating opportunities for them. As what the famous saying goes, deaf people can do anything hearing people can do except hear. So, may potential din sila. Innovation talaga ang kailangang tutukan because innovation is very important for MSMEs. It allows them to grow from small businesses simply surviving to becoming competitive. So when we introduce better technologies to them, product development, packaging of their products, the entrepreneurs can create higher value products. Access sa bigger markets, mas mag-widen yung kanilang market reach and generate more stable livelihood for their families and the communities. Okay, because we know that the main source of income in Bohol province is focus on ecotourism, and we have a lots of hotels and restaurants and receive thousands of guests, locally and internationally every year. So, kailangan tutukan natin yung safety ng ating pinapakain doon sa ating mga bisita. Aside from that, yung pag-come up ng ating mga quality products na very safe mula sa pag-choose ng ingredients hanggang sa finished product ay matutukan natin. That is why we are creating and we are developing microbiology students to have expertise on food safety and good manufacturing practices and on areas in food science. Kasi wala kami niyan dito wala sa Region 7 ang nag-o-offer ng food tech. For the hotels and restaurants, they have difficulty in looking for people who are going to lead or man the quality assurance and quality control department. Sila talaga ang ating mga future workers in S&T. Kaya nga kailangan natin magparami pa ng mga scholars to come up with this critical mass of S&T workforce para sila na naman ang mag-lead sa next generation. In order for a country to thrive, mas kailangan natin ang maraming S&T workers among all different types of jobs talaga. Kasi ito yung nagpapatakbo ng ating industriya at yung kung paano tayo magiging competitive sa ibang countries. Yung pag-receive ko ng Gawad Lingkod Bayan Award as a woman leader is meaningful because it shows that women in science and public service can lead initiatives that truly transform communities. More than a recognition yung natanggap ko, it becomes a reminder also that our work can inspire young women to pursue leadership and serve the nation through science, technology, and innovation. I encourage the young generations to take up science and technology courses kasi ito yung field na napaka-exciting. It may sound difficult for you, but no, it is very exciting after you finish the course. And then yung kanyang opportunities are very, very wide yung kanyang coverage. And ang importante nito, marami tayong matutulungan na kapwa natin Pilipino.